Hey Maca Bananas, I just wanted to point out this Pixi Eyebright kit number 1 has this really great color here, which is a silvery luminescent color. Oh gosh, that first color there. There's a Clinique color that is very close to it. That is Color Surge Twilight Mauve, and you can get the same effect if you mix these two end colors in your MAC Smoky Eyes palette. The other method that you can use to get this color is taking a almond Ray Cosmetics and blend it with a failed total eyeshadow fail. It broke in the Rose palette from like a really cheapy dollar store, but you have to struggle with that. And alternatively, these colors, Northwest and Fairy, I think, mixed with Seaport, also give a really close effect from the Cargo Christmas palette that you can get from the discounted at multiple locations for like $5. They're actually really nice shadows, but I know you probably have all of these colors in your collection already. But for those of us where you come across a product, you think you're getting a lot more product than is actually in the case. You're getting a pretty minuscule amount of product there. It's what, 0.07, 2 grams total for these 4 products, 3 of which are just really totally average, nothing phenomenal. The white is, just your regular white, and these don't necessarily function like super well. This particular color here is really fantastic. But who wants to pay, $15 for, microgram of product, when it's a good product. It's not like a great product, and being that you can very easily just dupe it out. Here, I did a little swatch right there. And it works like pretty well on the inner eye corner. So good luck with all of that. And I'll see you guys on the next Dupe's recommendation.